Guys, look at this. I just planned an entire week of LinkedIn content in under 10 minutes. 7 posts, different formats, different angles, all written in my voice, all scheduled and ready to go. And I didn't stare at a blank page once. Most people don't fail on LinkedIn because they lack ideas. They fail because turning those ideas into consistent content becomes exhausting. One post takes hours, another stays in drafts forever. And eventually, you stop posting completely. But what if creating LinkedIn content felt more like running a system instead of starting from zero every day? Watch this. I just mapped out an entire week of LinkedIn content in a single session. Different post styles, different angles, different hooks, everything aligned with my brand, fully edited and scheduled before I even finished my coffee. No blank page, no overthinking, no rewriting the same post 5 different ways. This is Dynal.ai, not another generic AI chatbot trying to do everything. Dynal.ai is built specifically for professionals who want to grow a recognizable presence on LinkedIn without spending their entire week writing content. The goal isn't just publishing more posts, it's building a personal brand people actually remember, because that's the real challenge. Most professionals already know they should post consistent. They've watched the tutorials, bought the courses, saved the templates. But consistency breaks when execution becomes too heavy. Every time you create content manually, you repeat the same process again and again. Finding an angle, writing the hook, fixing the structure, adjusting the tone, trying to sound like yourself. Dynal.ai removes that friction completely. Let me show you how the workflow actually works. The first thing I set up is brand DNA. This is where Dynal.ai learns how I communicate, my niche, my audience, my tone, my positioning, even the kind of content I want to be known for. Once that's saved, every post starts sounding consistent automatically. Now, let's build some content. I'm uploading a PDF first, an old industry report that's been sitting unused on my desktop. Dynal.ai scans the document, pulls out the strongest insights, and converts it into a LinkedIn-ready post with a clean structure, strong hook, and matching visuals. And it does it in seconds. Now let's try something else. I'll paste link. Instead of copying the content, Dynal.ai extracts the key idea behind it and rebuilds it into a completely new LinkedIn post tailored to my audience and writing style. It feels less like repurposing and more like creating original authority content from existing information. Now here's one of my favorite parts, trending inspiration. Dynal.ai pulls in real LinkedIn posts that are actively performing right now. Not outdated templates, not fake examples. Actual content patterns getting engagement in real time. I can choose a structure I like, apply my own topic, and instantly generate a fresh version built around my perspective. The framework stays proven, the content stays original. Now, let's organize everything. Inside the planner, I can build an entire week of LinkedIn content in one sitting. Story posts, carousel posts, quote content, educational lists, everything gets scheduled directly into the calendar. Instead of creating content every single day, I batch the entire week at once. And honestly, that changes everything. And instead of rewriting everything from scratch, it upgrades only the weak parts while keeping my voice intact. There are also some powerful visual tools built in. Visualize. My post transforms a single idea into a complete slide-based story with clean layouts and structured messaging. Carousel mode builds LinkedIn carousel flows automatically. Titles, page order, structure, everything ready to edit and publish. And quotes lets me turn simple insights into polished quote graphics with matching captions instantly. There's even a recommended topics feature that helps generate fresh content ideas based on current trends, so I never run out of things to post about. The biggest difference with Dynal.ai isn't speed, it's consistency. Instead of disappearing for weeks because content feels overwhelming, I can stay visible without burning out. And on LinkedIn, consistency is what actually builds authority. Not one viral post, not one motivational thread, consistent positioning over time. That's what makes people remember you. And that's exactly what Dynal.ai is designed to help with. If creating LinkedIn content has been sitting on your to-do list for months, this is probably the easiest way to finally turn it into a repeatable workflow. Check the link below, upload a document or paste a link, and see how fast Dynal.ai can turn your ideas into content that actually sounds like you. No blank pages, no content burnout, just a system that keeps you consistently visible. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.